of me.
Chill out.
Get off of me. I want my
All right, let's get her in somebody's car and get her out of here. Were you involved?
No. Female in the red, and then the garbage right there.
Okay. Who all was involved? I just got to make sure everybody's okay first, and I'll come back and talk to you.
We're okay. I'm female right there. My shoulder has pain, but I'm fine.
Which are any of those other vehicles over there involved?
Vehicle, me and her.
Okay.
And I believe
So it's just this vehicle and these two vehicles, or?
They're in that vehicle still.
Hi guys, how we doing, guys?
I don't know. I hit my head.
You hit your head?
Yeah,
Okay.
my head.
Okay.
I have 3 kids in the back.
How old is baby? 4 weeks?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody was in the car seat and everything?
Yeah, we got the car
Okay.
seat.
Is there any other injuries besides your head? Any other injuries?
They need to get checked out.
Yeah, I got you. The kids,
Yeah.
we'll get them checked out regardless.
Yeah.
But do you have any injuries or any pain, ma'am? Head? Okay. Hi, ma'am. What's going on? Nothing. Step out for me. Why you got your sunglasses on?
Right away, officers notice something isn't adding up. Slurred speech, sunglasses at night, and confusion after a serious crash. Those are classic DUI warning signs investigators are trained to watch for. But suspicion alone isn't enough. They still have to gather evidence step by step before making an arrest.
It's 8 o'clock at night.
Yeah,
All right, how much have you had to drink?
nothing.
You haven't had nothing to drink?
No. I'm
Nothing at
on
all.
the phone with my brother from Alabama. I'm not from here.
Do you have your license, registration, insurance? Let me do a favor. Get off your phone real quick, please.
Yeah, here. Can you hold this?
No. You can hang up with him, and then
hold on.
I gotta make sure, you know what I mean? If you're any injuries or anything like that, I just need your documents. So far, I don't know. She seems
damage?
Yeah, she seems pretty intoxicated. So far, two kids in that car, possibly injured. Parents both injured, both had injuries. They're assuming they smacked their head.
You don't have a Jersey ID?
No.
Passport card. I've never seen this. Okay. Airbag up there, man. Is it just you in the car or anybody?
Yeah.
It's just you? Okay.
I live right there at the
At the motel right here?
Hotel,
So
yeah.
you live at the... She has a passport card.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So you live at the motel and you were
Yes.
leaving. Where were you heading to?
Right here.
Where's
To my
right?
friend's house.
Where's that at? Here is just... This is an open road. Find out which way you were going. Do you remember how the accident happened?
No.
You don't know how the accident happened or anything?
No.
Do you remember getting in the accident? You don't remember?
getting into the accident at all?
You still live off
I
of
mean,
Walnut?
I live not off Walnut. I live right here.
Bianca, you have anything to smoke or drink before driving?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Only asking because you're slurring your speech really, really bad.
Yeah.
And your eyes are watering.
You can't stand up straight. You're not remembering anything that happened with the accident. You're wearing your sunglasses at night. It's 8 o'clock.
Are you wearing your sunglasses when you're
At this
driving?
point, every answer matters. The driver can't explain where she was going, doesn't remember the crash, and struggles to stay balanced. These observations become crucial evidence because officers document everything they see, not just what the driver says.
When you were driving?
She was wearing them when I got to the car.
Oh.
She was wearing them.
Okay. Insurance and registration for the car?
It's all on my phone.
You know what? Let me get their info
Everything's
before
on
they take
phone.
off.
It's all on my phone. So I don't know how.
She's going to get
It's all
their
on my
information
phone.
first and then come back. You said your registration, insurance, everything's on your phone?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't have a physical copy of your registration?
No, it's all on my phone.
Okay.
Remember the girl that we talked to at Denny's? She was door dasher?
Yes.
That's her.
Oh, okay. All right. I remember. She's bleeding
Bianca,
here.
you hurt?
No.
Is that your...
Oh.
Is that the registration or the insurance?
Demographics?
You hanging up on him or you want him on the phone so we can
This is
focus
my
on his
brother.
registration and insurance?
No.
Okay.
registration.
All right. Bianca, do you have your insurance information? I'll write that down.
This is
Well, the officer's right here. What's that?
This is all I have my insurance.
That's insurance. All right. So
What's
Officer
your email?
Officer Nelson's right here, so she can write it down. She'll get it from your phone. Just give her 1 sec. Bianca, can you try not to call people because you're very distracted and we're trying to get this done, please. Yes. Do you need this?
Can I?
He's gonna have you sign something since you're not going to the hospital. Okay.
Can I have my friend come get me?
Not yet. Wait until we're done the investigation and then you can call whoever you want.
Please come get me in front of my hotel.
Why'd you ask me if you were gonna do it anyway, Bianca? I just told you to hold off on
In front
that.
of the hotel at Holiday Inn, please. Okay. All right. Thanks. I love you.
All right.
First name's Bianca.
Yes.
You make a note. I don't have my body cam.
Sure nothing's hurting you. You don't want to be checked out.
No, I need to be dispatched back to my home.
Fortunately, I can't do that. I'm a one-way trip to the hospital. So I just have to take that up with someone else. All right, Bianca. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have you sign a form. It's just saying you understand the risk of not going to the hospital following the accident that you were in tonight. If anything changes, you're welcome to call us back at any time. It's never a burden. Just anywhere in this white box, sign your name. Like I said, that's a refusal form. You're welcome to call us back at any time.
So you didn't have anything to smoke or drink before driving?
No.
Okay. Is there a reason why you're slurring your speech and having difficulty standing up, balance? No? Okay.
Here's a critical legal moment. Officers ask her to perform field sobriety tests, but she refuses. That's her legal choice in many places, but refusing doesn't automatically end the investigation. Police can still rely on physical signs, witness statements, and the crash itself to establish probable cause.
Would you be willing to perform field sobriety tests to determine you're okay to drive?
No.
No? You're familiar with her? She's got priors?
I don't know if we have arrested her.
All right. Well, she's got slurred speech. Bianca, can you stop walking in the car, please? Can you stop walking in the car?
Sit?
No, you can step out the car, please. Step out the car, please.
Where can I sit?
Step out the car.
Where can I sit?
You sit on the ground.
Just stand right here for me, all right?
Just sit on the ground. All right, John. So tell us exactly what happened from your perspective. Where were you driving at? Just kind of start to finish.
I'm in the lane that goes straight because I just.
You were going this way?
Yeah, I was going this way.
Were you in front of this car or behind this car?
I was the last person to get hit, so I must have been in front of everybody. I did not hit anybody with the front of my car, so I was the last.
You got hit from the back?
All the way in the front. I got hit in the back.
Okay.
I was already stopped at the stoplight, and the person who was behind me, I forget if I think the car was red, but I don't see any red cars here. I forget. But it hit me on the back left side because it was swerving out of the way to try and get out of the way. So I guess to try not to hit me.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So maybe this might be separate too.
Okay.
No, because I saw the car who was behind me got hit first and then hit me, so it was a pileup. So maybe.
Well, if these are the only cars that were here, these three vehicles.
So then it has to be then. Okay, I must have been mistaken with the car.
Okay.
You're gonna be placed under arrest for driving under influence. Oh, don't fall on me, please.
Let me take this off you.
The investigation has reached its turning point. After speaking with witnesses and observing the driver's condition, officers believe they have enough evidence for an arrest. Notice how they remain calm and methodical, even as emotions begin to rise.
Here, let go.
Can you loosen this up? Thank you. Yep.
It's three separate collisions, we think.
Oh.
Two? Is it two? Okay, so two separate
Collision
collisions.
in here, huh?
I'm not
call
from
whoever
here.
you want.
I'm not from here.
All right,
Please,
Bianca.
please
Listen,
answer
relax,
that.
okay?
Where's that baby going?
Please.
I think they
want him to get checked out, yeah.
My brother.
All right. So we're
Yep.
saying Hayes, Nelson.
I gotta search her over. Where's Nelson? And then we can,
Please.
yeah.
Pulling her car up.
I gotta tell her right now. She's over there.
I'll go get it.
My
Okay.
brother. My brother.
Okay, that's fine, Bianca. We'll figure it out once we get to the station, okay?
My phone.
We got it. We got
My
everything.
phone.
We got everything,
No,
Bianca.
no, you
Bianca,
didn't
relax.
grab it.
Yes,
No,
but
we
I
have
did.
your
I
phone.
took it out of your
My
hand.
We have your.
Bianca, I have it, okay? It's right here.
Please.
Okay, I got it. It's right here. I know, I got you. Just relax, okay?
My brother. My brother.
I-
I'm
I-
not from here.
Okay, that doesn't matter right now,
I don't
Bianca.
care. I don't care if I'm not from here. I'm telling you. My brother, I'm from Tennessee.
Yeah, but you're a local at
Yeah.
this point.
No,
We do
I'm
what you
not.
want to do.
Yeah, we
No,
do
I'm
it to you all the
not.
time.
No, I'm not.
Come on, Bianca, please.
Can you
Please.
please
No,
call me? Okay.
we're not doing
Okay,
anything
you're
right
refusing
now.
to call my brother.
I'm not calling
You're-
anybody right
you're
now. We
refusing-
can wait.
you're
I have to get
refusing.
through some
You're-
things for.
you're-
Bianca, just relax, all right? We'll get
Okay.
it figured out. You just
You're
gotta calm down,
refusing.
okay?
You're refusing.
If that's the way that you want to take
Okay,
it,
you're
right now I am.
refusing.
Yes, absolutely.
You're
Okay.
refusing. You're refusing.
12-hour hold for yes.
Thank you.
Bianca, you were on the phone with your brother. You didn't tell him
Thank
to come
you.
out here.
Thank you. Thank you. Should I tell him to come from Tennessee? Are you crazy?
Oh, he's in Tennessee?
Yes. Thank you.
Well, why you need
Can
your
I
brother?
go to the
Hold on.
I want
Stop.
to go to the ambulance.
Stop.
I want to
Relax.
go to the ambulance.
Now you wanna go to
I
the
want to go to the
hospital?
ambulance.
And
I want to go to the ambulance.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
want to go
I
to
just
the
meant it too.
ambulance. I want to go to the ambulance.
Okay, all right.
Okay,
so
I
you wanna go to
understand.
the hospital?
Okay.
We'll take care of that. Wait.
Thank
Bianca,
you.
stop.
Stop.
You understand?
Stay still.
What are you
Relax.
doing?
Relax.
What are you
Now the
doing?
situation escalates fast. The driver's panic and resistance force officers to focus on safety instead of conversation. Once someone is under arrest, Resisting or pulling away can quickly lead to additional criminal charges beyond the original offense.
Relax.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You need to relax.
For what?
I need to search
For
your
what?
stuff, so you
For
have to
what?
relax.
For what? Search me.
All right,
Search me.
relax, Bianca.
Search me.
Bianca.
I want to go.
Bianca,
Please.
chill out. All right?
Get
Chill
off
out.
of me.
Chill out.
Get off of me.
Stop.
Get
pulling-
off of me.
Stop
Get
pulling
off of
away.
me. Get
Stop
off of
pulling
me.
away. Nobody's
Get
getting
off
off
of
of
me.
you.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off. I want my.
All right, let's get her. Let's get her in
lawyer.
somebody's car and get her out of
I
here.
want my
Let's get her in somebody's car and get her out of
Yes.
here. Sorry.
I want my lawyer. I want my lawyer. Thank you. Thank you. 148. I want my lawyer. Lock the door, you stupid bitch. Wow. Shut me in. Because I'm gonna.
What started as a traffic collision ends with DUI and obstruction charges. It's a powerful reminder that every decision, from getting behind the wheel to refusing cooperation, can dramatically change the outcome. One moment of poor judgment can carry consequences long after the crash ends.